From the crowded markets of Onitsha to the plazas of Lagos, one thing stands out. Wherever business thrives, an Igbo hand is shaping it. They call it the hustle spirit, a drive so deep it's become part of the DNA of a people. But where did it come from? How did an ancient farming culture transform into Africa's most fearless business tribe? The Igbo hustle didn't start in today's market. It began centuries ago in small villages where survival depends on creativity and trade. Igbo farmers learned early how to turn soil into wealth. Palm oil, crafts, and local exchange built the first foundations of commerce. By nature, the Igbo learned to depend on no king, only their own skill. At the heart of Igbo business lies one of Africa's most unique traditions, Igba Boy. A young man leaves his village to serve under a master for years, learning, observing, and building trust. Then one day, his master settles him with capital to start his own trade. It's not just business, it's mentorship, discipline, and family. A cycle that keeps wealth and wisdom alive. This system teaches humility first, reward later. It shapes character because in Igbo land, trust is capital. Every successful trader today once carried goods for another. Every millionaire once swept a shop floor. After the Nigerian Civil War, Igbo people lost almost everything. Yet, within a decade, they rebuilt their fortunes from scratch. No oil wells, no government handouts, just determination, family network, and the will to start over. That's the real meaning of the hustle spirit, turning ashes into opportunity. Today's Igbo youth are taking the same spirit into new frontiers. Tech, fashion, logistics, manufacturing. From Aba's shoemakers to Nnewi's car part moguls. And from Awka's engineers to Enugu's tech innovators. The energy is the same. Always building, always moving. Discipline, network, faith. The Igbo believe that the gods bless hard work but only after sacrifice and patience. Family support, village unions, and cooperative savings all keep the fire burning. In the Igbo worldview, success is not luck, it's legacy. Today, from Gwanzo to Houston, from Accra to Johannesburg, Igbo entrepreneurs are everywhere. They adapt, they learn, they thrive. Wherever an Igbo person sets foot, a new market begins to rise. The Igbo hustle isn't just about money, it's about dignity, proving that through hard work, any man or woman can rewrite destiny. As the elders say, Onyekwe, Chiekwe, when you believe, your spirit agrees.